Today I am going to share with you a craft that is not just made with jute but made with forgotten promise, a hidden memory, and the magic that lives inside simple things. Welcome back, dear creators. In this video, we are turning ordinary jute into a beautiful wall hanging, budget friendly, eco friendly, a piece of art that carries a heart touching story from a teeny village where one simple decoration changed an entire family's life. For this wall hanging, you need jute rope, a wooden stick or twig, cardboard, glue, beads, a bit of fabric scarf, and your imagination. Because today, what we create is not just decoration, it's a reminder that every small effort has a story to tell. Before we start crafting, let me take you to a small village surrounded by golden fields. There lived a girl named Rena, whose mother made handcrafted jute decoration. They were not rich, but the wall of their home glowed with warmth because Rena's mother beloved. When you create something with your hands, you also create blessing for your home. But one winter, everything changed. Her mother fell ill, and the village craft festival, the only source of hope, was just a week away. Rana knew nothing about crafting, but she remembered one thing, a promise she made to her mother as a child. One day I will craft something beautiful just like you. Now let's begin our wall hanging the same way Rana started her journey. Take a piece of cardboard and cut it into a half moon or circle shape. Wrap the jute tightly around it, layer by layer, thread by thread, just like Rana, who wrapped her hopes and fear into every loop of jute she touched. The texture became warm, rustic, and full of life. Rana stayed awake all night, learning by watching old jute pieces her mother had made. Her finger hurts, her eyes burned, but her heart glowed. Because she was not just crafting, she was keeping a promise alive. By morning, she had only made one small jute wall hanging. It was not perfect, but it was here. And sometimes imperfect things hold the most beautiful stories. Now add small decoration, jute tassels, beads, teeny fabric flowers, or even dried leaves for a rustic look. Glue them gently, place them thoughtfully. A wall hanging become magical when every detail reflects a piece of your heart. Just like Rana, her design had uneven lines, crooked tassels, but a spirit that shined brighter than any mastercraft. The day of the festival arrived, Rana carried her teeny piece, hiding it behind her back so no one could see her beginner mistakes. But as she placed it on the craft tables, something unexpected happened. People did not see imperfection, they saw emotion, they saw effort, they saw the love of daughter trying to save her mother. Within an hour, ran a simple jute wall hanging sold for the highest price that day. Her eyes filled with tears, not because she sold it, but because she realized sometimes the smallest creation can save the biggest dream. We hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel, share the video with your friends and family, and post your valuable comments, your suggestions. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. God bless you all. Remember me in your prayers. Stay blessed.